MIT aeronautical engineers have created a 1 megawatt motor to be used in commercial planes. Initially, it will be used in hybrid planes where the electric motor will be doing the short, slow flights, and the jet engines will be coming in for the fast flights. However, it's a stepping stone to using it more often. The specifications are astonishing. 1 megawatt of power, as light as a suitcase, even when you include the cooling components.
That's insane. The motor is less than the weight is about the size and weight of a suitcase.
We can save this planet, and those who believe in it most strongly are doing it. If this is rubbish, say so in the comments. Otherwise, like and subscribe.